Right now, we're going to show you the top 3 beaches in Puerto Rico mainland, because that's all that we've visited. Starting with number 4, Mar Chiquita Beach in the northern part of Puerto Rico. It's secluded from the northern waves and offers nice tree lines and plenty of food vendors surrounding the area. Warning Americans, there are no public beach showers or bathrooms to change and wash our sandy little toes like we do in the mainland. So be grateful. I know I can't count, but here's number 2. Baye Beach in the eastern side of Puerto Rico offers beautiful sandy white beach with plenty of tree shade, a tree swing, plenty of vendors, and an actual shower that takes 50 cents for 1 minute's use. Oh, it was lovely washing that salt off me belly. And for the final absolute most beautiful beach in Puerto Rico, coming in at number 1, Domes Beach in Rincon, at the northwestern side of Puerto Rico. This semi-secluded beach offers surfing when the weather is right, and beautiful snorkeling and swimming on the calm days. Just take it in, because you might never get to visit it if you don't just buy the damn plane tickets already. Well, unfortunately that's all 3. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and loved all of these bitches as much as we did. I definitely encourage everyone to travel and see the world. We definitely can't wait to go back and explore more. Till next time, friends. Adios, muchachos. Paalam. Ciao. See ya. Bye-bye now.